Hello, this is Shinwoo from StudyGroup. In this video, I'll walk you through our fully functional StudyGroup website. Previously, we implemented basic features like chat, forum, profile setup, and user matching. Since then, we improved those features and added some exciting new ones. Let's get started. First, I'll show you how to run our project locally. Our project has a backend server and a front-end client. Before starting the front-end, we need to run the backend. You go to the server folder and then install dependencies by typing npm install. Then you can start the server by npm start. Once you see server listening on localhost 4000, it means backend is ready. Then in a new terminal, you go to client folder. Same, you install dependencies with npm install and then run the client. This will launch the StudyGroup website in your browser. Then you're going to start on homepage, where you can see a brief introduction to the site's purpose and key features. Click Get Started to move to the login page. Now I'll sign up as a new tutor. Let's say I'm Maria, a tutor who wants to teach biology, chemistry, and information technology. I'll fill out the rest of the profile and complete the setup. After sign up, you're going to see a navigation bar that lets you move around the site. Let's first go explore Find Students. Here you can browse through students who've already signed up, and you'll also see how well you match to the other users. We have a filter system where you can adjust the importance of each matching criterion. For example, if I turn off everything except gender, my match score is going to drop to poorly match. That is because I signed up as a female tutor, but all these students are currently looking for male tutors. Let's go to the profile page. Here you can view and edit your profile information, and then set your availability using new calendar feature. For example, if I'm unavailable from July 28th to August 2nd, I can block out these dates. The schedule will be visible to other users when they view my profile. If I log back in as a student and search for Maria, I'll be able to see her schedule and introduction. Also, you can message her, and this time we can send pictures and other files like this. It appears in the chat instantly. Then you can leave a rating. And then if needed, you can also edit your rating. Now I will walk through one of our tests, which is a unit test. Now this code contains unit tests for two utility functions in our project, which is to calculate match score and validate profile form. First is calculate match score test. This shows how well a user's profile matches a target profile, and it checks different cases like full match, where everything matches and which should give 35 points. Second one goes through validation logic, which ensures that a valid form passes with no errors. Now, we install Jest to test this. Then, we can run the test using npm test. We run all the tests, and this shows that our program passed all the test cases. Now that wraps up the walkthrough of our updated StudyGroup platform. We've made significant improvements to our user matching, chat functionality, profile customization, and added helpful new features like calendar availability and rating system. Thank you everyone for watching.